Genesis chapter 2, verse 4 to 7:4. This is the account of the heavens and the earth when they were created, when the Lord God made the earth and the heavens. 5. Now no shrub had yet appeared on the earth, and no plant had yet sprung up, for the Lord God had not sent rain on the earth, and there was no one to work the ground. 6. But streams came up from the earth and watered the whole surface of the ground. 7. Then the Lord God formed a man from the dust of the ground and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and the man became a living being. Ito ay naglalarawan kung paano nagsimula ang paglikha ng tao. Noong una, wala pang mga halaman dahil hindi pa umuulan at wala pang tao na mag-aalaga ng lupa. Ngunit dinidiligan ng tubig mula sa lupa ang buong ibabaw nito. Pagkatapos, nilikha ng Diyos ang tao mula sa alabok ng lupa at hiningahan ng buhay. Dahil dito, ang tao ay naging isang buhay na nilalang. Ipinapakita na ang buhay ng tao ay nagmumula mismo sa Diyos. Follow for more daily Bible verses